parang gusto ko maglakad-lakad pero parang maraming tao. May mahanap kaya ako dito na grocery store. There is a grocery store here. There is. I can buy tissue right now. Toothpaste. Toothpaste? Yeah. There. So, kaya. You have toothpaste here, sir? Here.
Left hand. Salt. Salt to left hand.
Like that?
Left hand.
Like, here?
Left hand. Salt.
Okay.
Left hand.
So, kaya. Ang hirap lang dito. Hindi ba? Sa kami. Hindi ko na parang gusto ko magpa-shave. May nagsishave dito. Hello! How much shave? How much shave? How much shave? Shave how much? How much? How much? How much? Bakit malam English? Ang cute. Sa kanto lang dito. Tapos ganyan lang yung ano. Gusto bumili ng toothpaste kasi kahapon ng gabi wala na akong toothpaste so kanina umaga gumamit talaga ako ng sabon para makapag-toothpaste so meron daw dito